Alrighty, this is the old water pump, and if you notice how shiny and clean it is, this truck has over 300,000 miles. Actually, 340,000 miles to be more precise. You see how clean it looks in the inside. This is something you want to look for on your trucks. It tells you the condition that it is now, but it also tells you how it was taken care of before you bought it, if you bought it used. It shows that that coolant was the only fluid used, proper coolant. It shows that it had no water in it. And this is great because you don't want to have water in your system for various reasons. One is it causes corrosion. Two, it gets hotter than easier and faster than coolant. Three, your water freezes up if you are in cold temperature, and you don't want frozen the water to freeze up in colder temperature, so it'll cause an engine damage. Four, coolant lubricates, which means it prolongs the longevity of your water pump and all your cooling ports. Talking about radiator, seals, hoses. It just lasts longer because it's lubricating and it's not producing that heat that the water will. So yeah, you don't want to have water to your system, coolant only. You can see the outside is very bad, but this pump lasted 340,000 miles. This is the original. It was only leaking at the seal right there at the front. There was nothing wrong with it. It was just starting to leak, so I changed it. I got a new one. All right, so this is the right pump. This is from the dealer, original. I put the O-ring already with some grease, so it'll stay on place when I'm putting it on. It's not gonna fall off. This is the original international. Can't really go wrong with the factory part. Costs more, about $150 more, but it's gonna last longer. So here it is.